young leaders of the world, welcome to The Hague, our city of peace and justice.
Welcome to 1,800 young leaders from 193 countries.
You have the power to influence, especially if you stand as one.
We must have faith in the courage of the young to take on these important challenges. Change it yourselves.
Next year, the 10th summit will be coming home to the UK.
And I look forward to seeing each and every one of you next year in London at One Young World.
You are the first generation that cannot and must not fail.